Happy Sunday. It happened. I'm out of vegetables. My grocery purchases usually consist of my beautiful red peppers that I love to eat fresh all winter long. And then some fresh lettuce too. But this week I had to buy tons, broccoli, carrots, all kinds of vegetables because we have nothing. Needless to say, this is going to destroy my grocery budget for a couple months. It's not because we've had an extra long winter. It's simply because I did not put enough away. So I'm going to have to adjust that for next year. We ate a lot more vegetables, I guess, than we usually do, which is good. But we're also running very low on meat. I only have 3 chickens left, and it's probably going to be in July before our meat chickens are ready or we have really any chickens to eat. So we're going to scramble around this week, try to find some Cornish cross, a few to raise until the big batch or the bigger batch comes in May. It's a beautiful day around here today, and I thought we'd just walk around, see what's going on. So come on, let's go. Look what I got this week. These are my very own chicks, and all chicks are cute, but they're so fun when they're the ones you're going to be keeping. I have all of my Americanas that hopefully will be hatching later this week, like on Thursday, to add to this bunch. So let me show you what I've got. Let's see, the little light ones are leghorns. I have 3 of those. Someone is peeking up over the edge over here. And these little guys, I'm so excited, little girls. These are dark Cornish. So I am so excited. I had 2 dark Cornish a few years ago, and one's name was Bertha, and she was so funny and was one of those chickens that just followed you around and you could teach tricks. And unfortunately, she got sick last fall. I'm not really sure what happened to her, but she got sick and had to be put down. So I kind of missed her. So I got a few of these. There's 5 in there. Then I have got some golden comets actually today at TSC. See if they're running around. And this little guy, he's really small. He's supposed to be a golden comet, but I'm kind of wondering. If you look at him with all the other golden comets, I'm wondering if some type of bantam thing got caught in there. I'm not sure. Now she's over here fishing. See my fish in there? And I also have a few cuckoo morans in there. I always like to keep those too. So they're really cute. But these we'll get to actually watch grow, so that'll be fun. And if you've not seen a dark Cornish, they're really kind of strange looking birds. The hatchery birds don't look as strange as the actual breed, show quality birds bred to standard look, but they're still kind of funny looking, but they sure are cute chicks, aren't they? Picked these little guys up at TSC yesterday. Notice I am not doing very well at just say no to this stuff. It may look so pretty and sunny today, but it's still kind of cold. It's still very cold. But this is my second coop, I think I've mentioned. And, once you separate roosters, you can't really get them back together. So I always have to try to scramble to find a home for my second rooster, because this coop, I don't usually keep the rooster. It's kind of a rooster that I can just get another one each year. So fortunately, he has a home with a couple of my extra hens. So they're only going to be in here for maybe another week or 2. And then they're going to go to their new home. And this will become the turkey pen. So they'll be ready to come outside. We'll have to go in and check out the turkeys. Okay, let's go in and see how the turkeys are doing. Look how big this pen is now. Let's go see what they're up to. It's huge. We just redid their pen today. So look how much more room they have. It's really big. And they'll be in here for maybe another week and a half, 2 weeks until they're ready to go outside. Hopefully it's a little bit warmer by then. I don't like putting them out when it's really cold, but we have them early this year. It's usually May by the time we get them, so they're here a lot earlier. They're kind of chilling out and sleeping. I'll have to try to come back when they're a little more lively. Food got them moving, didn't it? Okay, like that. Hi, Turkey. Hi, buddy. I'm really looking forward to taking them outside. They're pretty fun outside. They follow you around. But it's still a couple weeks. I don't even want to be outside right now. It's too cold. Happy Sunday. Thanks for watching.